Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how a staff member can complete a security clearance check in ICheckIn for a day in the past if the record was missed. On the Kidsoft Information Centre, under Security Clearance, you will see a new notification widget. This notification identifies any security clearance checks that have not been completed for days in the past. The only way for this notification to be removed is when a staff member completes this action back on the ICheckIn device. This notification will identify the number of staff that are still required and for the date that has been missed. We will display the notifications for 1 month only. For a staff member to complete this action in ICheckIn, they will log in with their staff account and you will see the incomplete security clearance check banner. For the staff member to complete this action, they can click here. It is imperative that any staff member that was not responsible for those past days do not complete this action at all. This means if you were not the responsible staff member that was closing the service on that previous day, you are not required to complete this action on both yes or no. You can just ignore these actions. If you completed the security clearance check, however, you just forgot to complete the action in ICheckIn, you can click yes and then click save. If you did not complete the security clearance check at all and you also forgot to complete this action in ICheckIn, you can click no. This will be recorded on the sign in and out sheets, the ICheckIn report and the security clearance check report. Once you've completed your action, you can click save. When going back and clicking onto the security clearance for that staff member, that incomplete security clearance check banner has now disappeared. So it will only be visible for staff that have not completed the action on the missed days. When going back over into Kidsoft, you will notice now the security clearance notification has updated and removed that number of staff member from the notification. For any further information on how to complete the security clearance check for days that have been missed in the past, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.